My name is Manasa Solo. I'm planting this tree for goal number 8 to develop a global partnership for development.
My name is Louise. I work for Balfour Western Limited, major exporters of agriculture produce to the world market.
Louise is working in a local factory that is selling Fijian crops and vegetables all around the world. The European Union is helping the Balfour's factory to trade internationally by providing technical assistance and aid through the FACT project. This is implemented by the Secretariat of the Pacific Community, and it has allowed Balfour's to expand their business.
We are able to help individuals, families in the north with whatever they can produce. They don't really now have to go to the markets. They can come to us, and we will, in other words, we've expanded what they are able to produce.
The Balfour's factory was established in 1975, and they have always been trading internationally. The FACT project is using their existing expertise and combining it with their own to also give rural farmers a possibility to reach international markets.
Well, it feels good knowing that we're able to compete and with China, the American markets, Australia, countries who are well advanced in technology.
Making trade accessible for developing nations is one of the main targets within the 8 Millennium Development Goals. The FACT project is helping local farmers and factories in 14 Pacific countries to make their products suitable for international trade.
It's very important that these countries can trade, because obviously they need certain goods that they can't manufacture themselves. For example, they might want to have motor cars or computers and things, so they need to look at products that they can produce and trade competitively on the world market. So often it comes from the agriculture and forestry sector.
The 49 poorest countries in the world make up 10% of the world's population, but account for only 0.4% of world trade. This needs to change to provide equal opportunities for everyone, and that is mainly the responsibility of developed countries.
Access to international trade markets is one of the important areas where richer countries can contribute by giving space for developing nations. The first 7 goals can only be achieved through strong international partnerships.
The final Millennium Development Goal aims to reduce trade barriers, address debt problems, and increase access to new technology. This and the other goals must be achieved within the next 5 years to keep the promise of 189 countries.
To keep that promise, developing countries have to give priority to the goals in their budgets and policies, and richer countries have to increase their development assistance. This is possible if we all work together over the next 5 years.